My boss wants a currency report every single morning. Selecting and copying this list manually is a waste of time, and tomorrow I have to do it again. Stop. Let's automate it. Type equals import HTML. Paste the website URL in quotes, comma, table, comma, let's try index 1. Hit enter. Too short. Only top currencies. Let's change index to 2. Boom! The full list is here, but the table looks raw and messy. Let's clean it up instantly. Select columns A, B, and C. Double-click the border to auto-fit the width. Format, alternating colors, select green. Now it looks like a professional dashboard. And the best part? It pulls live data from the web and updates automatically every hour. I can drink my coffee now. Subscribe to Work Smarter.